Well, hello everyone. This is Irma with my note cards, and I'm going to present this very quick video on how I made these stained glass faux stained glass leaves. It's really very easy. Okay, as you can see, they do give the illusion that they are glass. Very easy. Let's just put these aside and let me show you. You know the packaging material that comes covering the items that you buy in Walmart, Kmart, Target, whatever. Well, very often what I'll do is when I remove them, I'll cut them and save them. And then when I have plenty of them, I'll start with my faux stained glass technique. I'll cut it to size, and I will draw a leaf or something on it. Now this one is already made, but let me just pretty much show you what I do. Now I don't have an extra piece over here, but that's okay. Let's pretend for the sake of argument that this is my clear packaging material. Okay, let's pretend that it's this, that I already cut it out. Alright, I take a marker like this, a nice thick one, and I'll draw my leaf, my heart, whatever it is. Alright, and we'll just okay, and I'll draw my leaf like that. Then I'll take another item. It could be puff paint. This one happens to be window paint. I can't really tell you who makes it, but nevertheless, it's a puff type of paint that when you squeeze it, and of course you would squeeze it and trace your entire image, it applies kind of thick, like very puffy. You have to allow it to dry. Once it is dry, okay, just like this, and I'll show you the one, and this one I just made not too long ago, so it's really not dry. This becomes the leading to your stained glass. Once this is totally dry, then you take any color you want, or appropriate color of ink, the alcohol inks. This one happens to be an old hot posh rainbow ink, but what's the name of that guy, the Tim Holtz alcohol inks, they're perfect for this. Once you do that, you'll take your ink and you'll paint. Now this one does not have the puff paint on it yet. I'm going to wait till this dries. You see it's still a little wet, and this is another alternative way of making this. Once it's dry, I can just go ahead and trace my leaf with this puff paint. Or I can go ahead and, once this is dry, then put a little bit of my alcohol paint and take a brush that has already been dipped in not water but alcohol and kind of spread it around. Once you have that and it's dried, you can go ahead, you can cut your image, your leaf, your heart, whatever it is that you made. Remember, it's dry, and then glue it onto your card or scrapbook page. I strongly suggest that you use a good tacky type glue. I use the Aleene's, this one, okay? I use that, and I adhere it, glue it onto my cardstock, and I've got my cards ready to go. I hope that you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. and I will see you again soon. Thank you for watching.